Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you tuna fish cutlet. And for that we need some tuna. So I have taken one big tuna and I have chopped it into 3 pieces, and I will have to debone this. So I have added little bit of turmeric powder and a little bit of pepper and salt and one bay leaf, and it's nicely boiled. It's cooked now. The other ingredients what we need are sliced bread, okay, for sandwich. We need some mayonnaise. So I've taken eggless mayonnaise, then some lime juice, some mustard sauce, then here is some pepper powder. Then I'll be needing some grated cheese. So this is grated cheese and this is grated cottage cheese. So I've taken both around like this is 1 cube and this is around 50 grams. Then I'm taking little bit of butter to add in the sandwich. Then I've taken some parsley, some leek which was there in the supermarket, and celery is there. And this is dill leaves, okay, we call it shepu also. And these are some few capsicums finely sliced. So whatever you want to add in this, it's all your choice. This is what I am going to add to make a tuna fish sandwich. Okay, so first we debone this. I'll show you a little bit of deboning, then remaining you all can do. Very simple. Just take the meat and then you debone it. You can use your gloves and all when you are doing for anything else. I am using my hand because see, it's nicely cooked and nicely boiled. So like this only you do. So now here I have deboned all. So you get like this meat in this. Now we will mix all this thing which has been over here. So we'll add this butter. You can use olive oil. Then this leaves, parsley, cheese, both the cheese, cottage and cheddar cheese, then leek, capsicum, I will transfer in a bigger bowl all this. We can mix it properly. Always I think if the quantity increases, then now we'll add lime juice to this. So around 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And pepper, crushed pepper, so crushed pepper around half teaspoon. Now we'll add the mayonnaise to this. So mayonnaise you can use lots, like I'm using around 1, 2, 3 and 4 tablespoons. If you want to learn how to make mayonnaise at home, eggless mayonnaise, then I have uploaded a video also. And we'll add some mustard sauce, around 1 teaspoon. And now that's it. We have to mix this and add our salt to taste. And let's mix this all nicely along with the everything what we added. And here is the filling of our sandwich ready. So now at this point, if you want more mayonnaise, then you can add more mayonnaise to this. So I will add 1 more tablespoon of mayonnaise to this, because it's for sandwich, no? That's why. So done. And let's make our sandwich with this. You can add mayonnaise with egg also, but mostly I prefer eggless. And it's done. Okay, so now we will do our sandwich. So now we need sliced bread for our sandwiches. So very simple. You add how much you want to add on this slice. I'm not adding butter, I'm not putting anything because everything is in this. And still if you want, you can do that, but I have not applied. You have seen this, so here it goes. Spread it nicely, all spread it nicely, and you can make lots of sandwiches out of this. And I'll layer this, and let's cut it. You can cut the sides also to be a presentable however you want, but I'm going to serve this like this only. Okay, and here is our tuna sandwich ready to eat. Now second one I will show you. If you want to remove the sides, then cut the size on the sides and same way spread this. Do let me know after making this. How it is. This way, and here it goes. Hope you will enjoy this, and do let me know how it was. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So I am ready to serve. It's a nice breakfast, evening snacks, party snacks. Thank you once again. Love you all.